Chauncey Barnes is your local photographer. He opened up in 1844 the Skylight Daguerrean Gallery here in Mobile. And he purchased a camera early on and said he learned all he could from Samuel F.B. Morse. You may be surprised at that because probably your impression of Morse is the telegraph and Morse code. Well, Morse was a famous artist, a very accomplished artist. And as soon as he heard what Daguerre had done, in 1839, he made a trip to Paris and studied with Daguerre. And he was one of the first people to learn the process directly from Daguerre and come back home to America, and he became the teacher of daguerreotype. He charged $50. People from all over the country wanted to participate in this new form and went to him and trained. And Barnes was one of those early people, and by 1844 he had set up shop. He was certainly one of the first 54 Daguerreans in this country, as published in their journal that came out about that time. The other thing that Barnes did was something most didn't. One of the problems, if you're a collector and you see these daguerreotypes and ambrotypes, you can't identify the photographer. You can't identify the name of the person. You can't identify where it was taken. There's no imprints on it. Well, Barnes found that unacceptable, and obviously a little bit of a self-promoter. You had to pay a lot extra, but he did and had his cases embossed with his name. And so we have many early Barnes photographs that are listed with his name on the case of the ambrotype and daguerreotype. Quite unusual for the time. In fact, he was Mobile's premier photographer for 40 years.